Riding a Sportster. Come on, Scarlett. The music, I swear. So we're in the blind spot, right? Okay. Get ready to, there you go. Good head check. See somebody coming up behind you. That's all it takes. Quick second. Quick second. All right, so that's gonna be the big problem. Is gonna be off to the right. Is that big blue vehicle? Okay, we're in a good position. Look at the line of sight. I want to point this out, everybody. Look at the line of sight. You notice how he's not right behind this car right here, but off to the side. There's that line. So that's telling you where that positioning is. Look at that line of sight. This is where I typically ride, so I can see. That's great. So another cool thing is that blue car starts coming into our lane. We look at that big space cushion we have. So he's in an amazing position for safety. Amazing. And he's situationally aware. He's constantly checking his mirrors and everything. So the simple fact that he was able to get himself out of the situation is amazing. This is a great, great, great example of situation awareness. There was the head check right there. He sees the little vehicle coming up, but then what he doesn't notice is that vehicle is coming in. So he also moved over a little bit. You see how we're right behind this vehicle? So maintain your position for safety. So this person's coming in. Don't know why. They got a better lane right there, but maybe they want to come all the way over to this lane. But right here, what we should be doing is applying the brakes, which is what he does. That vehicle gets in front. Good job, man.
Oh! A dormir, okay. This.
All right, riding a scooter, side of the vehicle. Good swerve. Great swerve, dude. Check your pantalones.
Jesus.
Yeah, I know. All right, same person. We're gonna have another side of the vehicle. There it is, side of the vehicle. Hey, it's somebody reversing. Ooh, I'd be concerned about people behind me right now. Go, 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 go. So the big points on this one, guys. Hey, this is like the 5th side of the vehicle that we've seen, class. Seriously, side of the vehicle. Pay attention to that. This is exactly what I want you to burn into your mind right here. If you see that possibility of a path of travel, what can you do? You need to be able to brake, swerve, find escape paths, because this person could go into your path of travel. So we see this. Good swerve. Go ahead and remove the horn. It's not going to help you out in this situation right now. Use your emergency maneuvers. Get out of there, which is what he does. Good job on that. Now that we're here, let's get back into our lane. Good job, man.
Jesus.
Yep, I know. Jeez. All right, so we're moving forward right here, and we see another. So now we start to honk the horn, but look at path of travel violation. What I would be doing is looking into my right mirror, doing a quick head check, and moving off into this lane as soon as I can. So this is a great moment to where he perceived. Look how much time and opportunity we have up into here, is that we can go into that lane and get around it. So we're not stuck in traffic with a possibility of somebody coming behind us, boom, plowing us in the back. You know what I mean? Yeah, so my big concern right here is getting hit from behind. All right, merging issue, I bet. All right, so this is what I'm talking about all the time when we're riding next to other vehicles. Okay, we're in a lane that's possibly moving faster. We're also staggered, so we're also in a good spot. The main problem here is the moment we get closer and closer to that blind spot, the closer and closer we have a possibility of somebody being a dum-dum. Now, why is this person switching lanes? Because this dum-dum switching lanes. Okay, this lane is faster. This person's moving over. This person doesn't like it. He moves over. We don't like it. We get into a big problem. So when we see something like this, maintain your staggered position, roll up the throttle, call it a day. Non-issue. You don't even have to spend time on this one. You guys should already know that. All right, position yourself a little bit better. Yeah, that person shouldn't have done that.
You are, yeah.
Oh, is this a road rage?
That cool was you. Yeah, what's up with you? Ronnie Pickering. Hey, Ronnie.
Okay. What was the context beforehand? You know what I mean? Real quick though, for all of you that think it's funny and you want to get in picking fights, let's see if I can get down here. If you think it's funny to get in fights, are we in a vulnerable position right now? I mean, just take a look. We have Mr. right here on all 2 feet, ready, can do anything we want, and we're straddling a 500-pound machine. Who's the vulnerable one here? This is why I don't want you guys getting in fights. And this is why I don't want you having road rage. That dude got out of his car. You need to get off your bike if you're ever going to defend yourself. We're in a vulnerable spot. Don't be getting in fights, everybody. Come on now. Come on, everybody. Just calm down, please. Grab yourself a rock form case. I have a little pop socket adapter. I absolutely love it. This is a magnet right here. It keeps your phone nice and secure, a lot better than some of the other competitors. So make sure you check them out. Links in the description. Automatic discount when you click that link.